This design is superior, where you see the tabs right there that are bent and they go in there to lock it into place. It's better than the newer ones. Anyway, let's get this back together and check it out. Test it out, rather. Here's a second Dayton 4C507. If you remember the estate sale finds video I made, tried this out in the other one. The bearings were pretty tight. And it had a 10-second spin down time. That's when it was oscillating. So, disassembled the motor fully. I don't know, it was making that donking sound. Go donk when it would stop oscillating. So I needed a fiber washer. So I did that. And bearings are pretty free now. Do the spin down time thing. 3, 2, 1. It doesn't make the noise anymore. This one's been in service for a week. I mean, the last time I ran this, it's been a week. And I stopped it because it made that thump sound every time the oscillation would stop at either end. There's like no play in the shaft at all. So it's in pretty good shape. Like I said, when it was oscillating, we did the spin down time test and it was 10 seconds. Let's try it now. 3, 2, 1, go. There it is. Pretty good.